Here's a view of downtown Denver. We're back at 633 17th. These are Otis Slap On by Montgomery. That's the brand. They moved out of here, and so it's all empty now. But their name's everywhere still. These were Otis, I don't know, I think they were Autotronic. And then they were slapped on by either Montgomery or Otis, and look down here, you can see the pit. It's kind of neat. Anyway, original cabs. Alright, let's go down to one. And these are definitely relay controlled. Yeah. Wow, that's a hard stop.
Going up.
Where's the lantern? Whoa. These start fast. Holy crap. Holy moly, whoa, hard stop. He's gunning. All right, we're gonna send this down to 16. Whoa, hey, hold on. I wanna get another car. In the meantime, pretty view, pretty. I like the custom call stations here. These look like Epco or Adams, but yeah, I think they're Adams. Actually, I don't know. Oh, look. The original key switches. Oh, we got the one next to the one we just rode. Fine by me. I love these cabs. They're so nice. Really neat. Does this one have an actual working arrow? Does this one have working arrows on the indicator? I don't know. All right, let's go to 16. Dang it, the arrows don't work. They almost look like Dover arrows. Makes me wonder if Dover had a part in this, but I don't know. And that looks like an Otis indicator, which is weird. Yeah, that's definitely, yeah, that is most certainly an Otis indicator.
Going up.
Going up. Oh, I like those lanterns. I'll listen to them. I think that car just left. Hey, it's our old friend from 5 minutes ago. Not even. This is pretty neat though. These are actually some of the most underrated elevators in Denver. Look at that weird stop switch. X. I really think these, like, yeah, I'm almost sure these are still relay controlled. Like, the way these things run, ain't no way it's fucking microprocessor. Yeah, no, that's totally the way it all goes. Anyway. What's the... Oh, look at that, kind of neat.